Hello, I'm Shantanu Shaha. I'm the director of the film Another Lockdown Story. We, the entire human race, are facing a very crucial situation. A very tiny small particle, a virus, namely COVID-19, uh, give us a challenge to the mankind to survive or to get rid of this situation. Our entire country gone through a new terminology, namely lockdown situation. Children of our country, of our state, of our society, the juvenile community facing a very tough situation. We all know that children are every right to get freedom through air, light, but during this lockdown period, they have to have confined in a very closed situation, in a room or in a balcony. We try to depict the basic crisis of the children mind which they are facing during this lockdown period. Our team decided that we capture the different situations of different children through our mobile phone. This is an experiment. When amidst the pandemic situation, our Prime Minister declared a complete lockdown for 21 days for the first phase. After 3 weeks, our central government decided to extend the lockdown situation. So, this is a very uncommon, unnatural, unusual circumstances which came to us. We had to fight that situation. We, the adults, reacted with that situation in a different manner. But what about our children? Through this film, we try to portray the psychological pressure. All the children in this film, they reacted very spontaneously, very normally and very naturally. This is the strength of our film.
Hello, I am Shaunak Shaha. I read in 8th standard in Salt Lake School, Kolkata, West Bengal, and I am in 8th standard. And this film, the Another Lockdown Story, this film depicts the situation of the children of different places, mainly of the age group 6 to 12. This film is completely shot on mobile phones. This film is shot on 6 different mobile phones in 6 different places in 6 different situations. So, as an editor, it was a challenge for me to arrange these clips that are shot only and only by mobile phones, and to arrange them and to create this film and to frame this film. And but I readily accepted the challenge, and it was very interesting while editing this film. And all the shots are very much candid in nature. These shots are not very much pre-planned, or the children have not acted on these shots. They have just expressed their natural situation during this lockdown period, and it was very nice while the making of this film with all our casts and our director especially. And finally we did a progress, and the film is now totally made, and thanks to 9th Bangalore Short Film Festivals that they have selected our film, and hope you people will like it. Thank you.